measles case in Solano County, also another investigated today in Tuolumne County. With those cases, health clinics around Northern California are extremely busy with people getting the measles vaccine as the outbreak continues to grow.
KCRA 3's Claire Dewan live for us in Vacaville, where it's not just the parents of young children who are concerned about this outbreak. Claire.
Edie Golston, doctors here at North Bay Healthcare, like many doctors across the county, have received dozens of calls from concerned parents about this measles case, and now school officials as well as the county and hospitals trying to get more people informed. As a parent, Sarah Neller is concerned about the measles outbreak, even though her kids are vaccinated.
Just like all things, you worry about them getting to and from school safely, and now we worry about their health and safety because some parents aren't doing the right thing.
The lab at the Solano County Department of Public Health confirmed the first measles case Friday of a child under 5 who is not attending school. They are not releasing any other information for privacy reasons.
The most important thing is not the person who already has measles, whether or not they're vaccinated. The most important thing is that anybody who doesn't have measles right now gets vaccinated to prevent it.
Deputy Health Officer Dr. Michael Stacy tells KCRA 3, in any measles case, family members not vaccinated will be quarantined. County staff worked over the weekend to identify others who may have been exposed.
Anytime our rates of vaccination start to drop down, we're going to see cases of measles, and that's what we're seeing now.
Take a look at what we're seeing across the state. Newly released figures show the breakdown of confirmed cases by age group. Surprisingly, it's adults ages 20 and over who make up the largest group with measles.
We've had a lot of concerns from moms who purposely didn't have their children immunized. Some of those are showing interest in coming in and getting their kids their immunizations.
Dr. Bruce Hewitt, a pediatrician at North Bay and Vacaville, experienced the measles outbreak in the late 80s.
I actually felt that this storm was coming. I really have, because I've seen over the last 10 years an increase in the number of people who have refused vaccine.
School districts like Travis Unified have sent out alerts via phone and email last week, informing parents of the measles and chickenpox. Over 95% of the people who get that first vaccine become immune, but some people don't, so that explains the second shot. And officials say 99% of the people who get that second shot are immune. Live in Vacaville, Claire Dewan, KCRA 3 News.
Claire, thank you.